My sleep apnea wasn't just exhausting, it was dangerous. I stopped breathing up to 79 times an hour, and CPAP just wasn't working for me. Dr. Salento recommended Inspire Sleep Therapy, and it saved my life.
Every patient receives comprehensive care. We provide in-house solutions from testing to treatment because your time and health are our top priority.
After visiting Texas Sinus and Snoring, I no longer need my CPAP machine, and I can finally sleep again.
Call today or visit TexasSinusandSnoring.com. Let's break the cycle and breathe.